Good morning, children. Today in this class of subject general knowledge, we will find answers of given questions of page number 3 and 4. In page number 3, you will read about valuable learning. It is written here, you can see valuable learning. Values are important for all of us. They help us to do the right things. What values do you learn from the given pictures? Write with the help of clues given. Clues are given, and with the help of picture you have to write what type of values you have to learn, you are learning from these pictures. In picture number 1, you can see a boy is helping an old man. So you will write here, helping others. Helping others is the most valuable learning, and we should do in our day-to-day life. Always help others. In picture number 2, one boy is washing his hands. This is related to health and hygiene. So we will write here health and hygiene. Because this is related to our health. If you want a good health, you should always keep your hands neat and clean. Now, picture number 3. In picture number 3, two children are planting a sapling. So you will write here eco-friendly because they are trying to save our nature, our mother earth. That's why they are planting sapling. In picture number 4, one girl is showing love for a goat. So you will write here caring for animals. We should always love animals, and this is our duty to love and care for animals. In picture number 5, you can see here, picture number 5 is here. Children are standing in a queue and waiting for their turn. So this is related to safety and discipline. This is also a very valuable learning. We should always be safe and disciplined in our life. In page number 6, you can see our national flag is here. We should always love and respect for our country and our national flag. So you will write here patriotism. Now page number 3 is completed. You will write in copies all question and answers. Now page number 4. Page number 4 is also related to language and literature. As, same as. Similar is an expression that describes a thing by comparing it with another. For example, as brave as a lion. So many times we compare things with another things of same quality or better quality, and we say as, same as. For example is given here. When we feel or realize that a person is so brave, we generally compare him or her with a lion because lion is a symbol of bravery and strength. Now questions are here. Some incomplete similes are given below. Complete the blanks by unscrambling the words given in the bracket. Words are given in the bracket, but you have to unscramble them. Question number 1, as light as a feather. You have to unscramble this and write F-E-A-T-H-E-R, feather. When you compare a light object or you can compare it with feather because feather is very light. Second, as white as snow. When you compare a white object to another, you can compare it with snow. You will unscramble this word and write here snow. Now question number 3. Question number 3. As clever as a fox. Unscramble it and write F-O-X, fox. Fox is very clever, and when we compare a clever person with something, you can compare it with fox. 4. As busy as a bee. Bee is always busy in doing something, in doing her work. So you can compare a busy person with a bee. As sweet as honey. You can unscramble it and write honey. Honey is very sweet. So you can compare a sweet thing to honey. As cold as ice. You have to write here ice. I-C-E, ice. Ice is very cold. So you can compare a cold object with ice. 7. As blind as a bat. Bat can't see in day. So you can compare a blind person to a bat. Now next question. Question number 8. Question number 8. You can compare a black object to coal. Coal is very black. So you can compare a black thing to a coal. As slow as a snail. You write here as snail is very slow. So we compare a slow person or thing to a snail. As clever as crystal. You can unscramble it and write crystal. Crystal. Crystal is very clear. So you can compare a clear object to crystal. As tiny as an ant. Ant. Ant is very small. So you can compare a tiny object to ant. As round as a ball. Ball is round in shape. So you can compare a round object to a ball. Now page number 4 is completed. You will write all question and answers in your copy and read it again and again. Thank you.